taking another bite of happiness. You should try this too, guys. On your cupcakes, on your favorite cupcakes, try to melt them, especially to those have like this filling and has a coating in it. It's actually much better. It feels like I'm eating a cake, a strawberry cake. It's perfectly melted. I just timed it for a medium low heat, and then on a minute, and I have a blue lemonade here. Hi guys, this is Leslie from Princess Leslie Daily Vlog, and today I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of an exciting news today. And actually my mother gave me this, and this is a new ring light for me. I don't have a ring light, so she bought me a ring light along with this stand. Here it is, and I'm gonna be unboxing it today, and let's see what's inside of it. Here it is. This is the first time that I'm gonna see it, and this is the ring light. It has a bubble pop here, and here is the ring light, the cord, and how you control it. There is things right here, buttons right here, that is included in it. The on and off, the plus, the minus, and the repeat, I think. And there were this plug in it. And this is the ring light. This is how big it is. And then the stand. Here is the stand. It has this kind of rotating adjustments. Oh, it can go a lot taller. You just have to adjust this. Wow. There is something like this. Here it is. I think here should it be, oh, I think I'm right. We have to rotate it completely. Then I think I figured it out. I removed this thing from this part, the rotating adjustable one, and then I think we have to place this here. There you go, to add your phone here. Here it is. I think I'm doing it right. And here, this is where you put your cell phone. This is adjustable. This thing is adjustable. This part is adjustable. And you can adjust this part too. From this, there you go. I think it's done. I think the farthest height of this is 2 meters or 3 meters, I think.